Hi students, for third B English department students, English for competitive examination, second unit, last topic, active voice and passive voice. In grammar, active voice and passive voice also one of the important topic. First you listen what is meant by active voice and then what is meant by passive voice. Active voice, in active voice we use in subject, verb and then object. In passive voice also for the same, but some changes between active voice and the passive voice. In active voice, the subject of a sentence is also the performer of the action indicated by the verb. In active voice, subject and object, subject and then verb, both of them having some action. Without action, active voice is not activated. In active voice, subject and the verb, both of them activate and give the proper sentence formation also. It is said by an active voice. Active voice, some action between subject and the verb. Without action, this active voice is not active. Next one, passive voice. The action of the performer is directed, which is affected by. In passive voice, they are using some performance into some directions and then give some direct example, and then they in passive voice using by, because by is must. யாரால் செய்யப்பட்டது. ஆக்டிவ் வாய்ஸை பொறுத்தவரை நீங்கள் டைரக்டாக சொல்ல போறீங்க, பட் பாசிவ் வாய்ஸ் யாரால் செய்யப்பட்டது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்தை நம்ம சொல்ல போகிறோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் பாசிவ் வாய்ஸ் we have some changes between active voice and then passive voice. You have some rules. First one, in active voice, subject into object. In active voice, based on subject, verb and then object. But in passive voice, first you write object into subject and then subject into object. Active voice பொறுத்தவரை subject verb object இருக்கும், and then passive when you change and then write the sentence into passive voice, object will be come from, it will be subject will be change the place into object. That's why you say object into subject into object into subject. In passive voice, you use be form verb is must used in active voice and then passive voice. Only one variations in passive voice, because in passive voice you using by. By is must when we use to change verb. Active voice into passive voice, by is must. Okay, here subtitle column, how to change your sentences. First one, in present simple. In active voice we use only verb. Verb only use in active voice when we start to write the sentence in present simple. In passive voice, when we change the sentence into passive voice, you should use an or as or plus verb and then en verb. The verb is important in passive voice. In active voice, you don't have be form verb. When we change active voice sentence into passive voice, means you must use be form verb and is and then or plus verb. Eat is the verb. In this verb you add en. Eaten verb. Eat the verb you use in passive voice. In present continuous tense, you must use be form verb and then main verb. Eat change into eating. In passive voice, am is or, because here you using continuous verb ing verb. When we change active voice into passive voice form, in present continuous tense you ate ing, here using being. Eating change into being, and then this verb change into eaten, because this ing verb taken by being, so this main verb change into en verb. In present perfect tense has or have plus main verb eaten. This we change into en verb and then have has. Everything else has used only for third person. Have using first person, second person and then third person they. In passive voice, active change into passive, we use has, have and then been is extra. Here in active voice, you will not use been, but active voice change into passive voice sentence, you must use been in present perfect tense and then verb plus en. This is just I given this verb for example. Any verb you use it. So en verb only use it present perfect tense. Next one, past simple. Same for present simple. In past simple also you use only main verb only you use here. When we change active voice sentence into passive voice, that time you use was or were plus en verb or ed verb. Anything else you use here because past tense you use ed verb or en verb you use here and then be from verb is important when we change the sentence active into passive voice. Here present perfect continuous tense having no active voice and then passive voice form. So that's why we will remove in this table column. In next one, past continuous. In past continuous, here was and then were plus ing verb a change into ed. Already in present continuous tense also using the same verb, same format only using here also. Here was were plus here using be. When we change the sentence active into passive, the same method in past tense also you use it and then en or ed verb you use it here. Next one, past perfect tense. Past perfect you have only had, but in present perfect you have has and then have form verb. But here past perfect tense you have only one form of verb and only have plus main verb en verb or ed verb. Past tense only using ed verb, but in present tense you don't have ed verb at all. And then when we change into passive voice, had plus been plus even for the same format of present perfect and then past perfect tense also. Here also past perfect continuous tense you don't have passive voice, so you remove that in the table column. Next one, future simple. Future tense using will or shall plus eat. Main verb only you use here. You don't have sub-verbal verb, but when you write to start the sentence in future tense means you should write will and then shall is must. Here will, shall. Here you use it in active ones. We use only will and shall. But when we change passive voice, active voice into passive voice, you use will be or shall be plus main verb eaten. Next one, future perfect. Here you don't have future continuous tense in active voice and then passive voice. You have only future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, will and then shall you must have only use in future perfect. Don't use has and not. When we start to write the sentence in future perfect, you have use only, have only, user and then en verb. Here, when we change the sentence into auxiliary model auxiliary verbs also used in active form and then passive form can, will, should. These three only used in the active form and then passive form sentences. Some changes. Changes in active voice to when we change active voice sentence into passive voice means what are the variations are given and then what are the changes you will be done in your sentences. If you in active voice you use I means when you change passive voice sentence you use this place I change into me because we in active voice we using I is the subject but in passive voice this I change into object, that's why this I change into me. When we start the sentence for subject means you should write I. When we change I change into object means you use me. And then he change into him, she change into her, they change into them, we change into us, we change into us, do change into is, does change into are. Now we discuss about the sentences. Before I discuss all the things in table column, just I give example how to change the sentence active voice into passive voice. First sentence number in all the places I give first sentence fully active voice, second sentence fully passive voice. In first sentence, this is the active voice sentence. In active voice, I is the subject, love is the verb, my family is the object. Subject, verb and then object. This active voice change into passive voice means this object comes before of the sentence between subject. My family is loved. Already I said in table column. In present tense, you use only active voice, you use only main verb. When we change into active voice, you use passive voice, change into be form verb. So here I use is. Why I use it? Is means my family is the third person. When we start to sentence, write a sentence in third person means you should write is and then ed form. Here love change into love and then by is must. When we change into passive voice you use by and then I change like me. My family. First one active voice subject into object. In passive, this is the passive voice sentence. In passive voice sentence, object comes before subject and then when we start to write the verb, you using be form verb is be form verb and then love change into love and then by is must. Before of the object, you use by. And then near of the verb, before of the object, you have to use by me. Second sentence, this is the present, simple present sentence. This is the present continuous tense sentence. He is teaching grammar. He is the subject. Is teaching is the verb. Grammar is the object. Now, just when we start to write the passive voice sentence, you change your sentence from object comes front of the subject and here teaching. So you cut out ing form, you use it is being. Teach change into thought. By before of the object I use by. Here thought is the verb. After the verb I use by. He changed into him. Next one. This is the present perfect sentence. This is active sentence is passive voice. In active voice, they is the subject, have fun is the verb, him is the object. Now I change the sentence. Him comes from him, change into he. Why here we put he is when him in object only you use him. When we use the him in front of the subject, you must use he. Or here you use have means in before of the subject you use have change into she. Why here I change has been means he is the third person. Why here using have means there is the third person and then this is the plural form. That's why here using have third person you use has, and then in change it to passive voice you use has been, and then punished by they change into them. Next one, this is the simple past tense. Simple past tense use only main verb, subject, verb, and then object. Object comes in front of the subject. Your car, and then draw. When we change passive voice, we use be for verb, was, en verb, driven by Ramu. Here, she was preparing those eggs. Subject, verb, and then object. Those eggs, object comes in front of the sentence in passive voice. Subject was. Why here using where means because those eggs is the plural form. When we write the plural form, we have to write here is the singular. So that's why using was. Here you have plural form, you have to write where, and then ing continuous tense means you have to write being, and then ing verb change it to ed. Here she is here, so change her. He had posted the letter by that time. Here you have two objects. First one is the direct object, and the second one is the indirect object. First, you have to write the sentence. Direct object sentence only you have to start to write at the front of the subject. Here, this is the direct object. This is the indirect object. Indirect object you have to write at the end of the sentence. The letter, I put the letter, and then had been is must. When we change the sentence into perfect tense means had been posted, and then after the verb you have to write by. He changed into him at the end of the indirect object, right here at the end of the sentence. Last place only you write the second objects by that time. This is the tenses. Next one is future, simple future tense. I shall do this work. Here I is the subject, shall is the shall do, both of them is verb, and then this work is the object, active voice sentence, and then simple future. Now object comes from in subject in passive voice. Shall you have to use be. Shall be is given and then done by I change into be. Next one, my mother will cook the food. My mother is the subject, will cook is the verb, the food is the object. Object comes in front of the sentence is the subject. The food will be cooked, change into be cooked by my mother. Subject change into object. Next one, ninth one, round. This is the future perfect tense. is the object, you put subject the verb. Will, how, you have been completed by Raju tomorrow. Next one. This is the how did change into did, was, would, is, does, what. This example, did you hear? Did is the separate, you is the subject, understand is the verb, that lesson is the object. You don't change this verb, did is the, you put same place, you don't change anywhere. Did change into was, here object comes from the subject, understand is the verb, by you is the object. Next one is they sell building material. His already you have changed only because to change into this if you have is in active voice, you don't have to change passive voice. Right? Same thing. His building is the object. Object comes from building material, and then sold is the verb, by they change into them. Next one, can be change the curtains, and then can also using in the active voice sentences. You have no change. When you use can, you use only one be only. You add in your sentence. Can, the curtain is the object. Object change into subject in passive voice. Be added because using can, so we is must change into ed format. By using passive, we are using be change into s. Next one, where does woman keep the car keys? Where is the same place. Here does change into or so many. This is the subject. Keep is the verb. This is the object. This is the extra words. That car keys keep change into kept by so many. The car was, next sentence, the car was stolen. While here we are using someone means here you have only subject and then verb. You don't have object. Here you only subject and verb in your sentence. So that's why at the end of the sentence you have object. You don't have object means you use someone or everyone or anybody. Anything else you use here someone. Stole change into stole the cloud. Next one here while using let be means you is the verb, him is the object, and the last one also object, direct object and the indirect object. So here you don't have subject. Without subject you have to use let be. Let here you use let is the subject, him main object, put him and then be, let be, give change into given. You have to second object use the same place. Last also same. Make is the verb, the bed is the object. Here also you don't have subject, so you use let. The bed object comes from subject. Be, let be, make change into when. When you don't have